Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word presumptions. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He operates on presumptions rather than facts, which often leads to misunderstandings. Presumptions are beliefs or assumptions made without definite proof or evidence, often based on past experiences or biases, rather than concrete facts. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.